will learn 3 color correction hack in Adobe Premiere Pro for a stunning result. Tip number 1. Convert day to night color correction. This tip about transforming a daylight footage into a night scenes. First, we'll take a video footage and go to Luminosity option. Then I'll go to the Creative tab and search for HL Blue Day for Night. Under the Look option, as you can see, a dark shadow effect has been applied to the video. Next, I'll go to Basic Color Correction and adjust exposure, contrast, highlight and shadow to match the video. Now it's look perfect like nighttime. Before it was in daytime, and after the color correction it looks like night. Tip number 2. Copy color correction. This tip allows you to copy the color of one video and apply it to another video. I've taken 2 video clips here. Make sure the video whose color you want to copy is placed first, and the second video will be the one you apply the color to. Now I'll go to color wheels and mesh and turn on the comparison view. You will see 2 screens, one showing the color we want to apply and the other the video to which will apply the color. After selecting the second clips and apply match, and now the second video has apported the color from the first one. Before it had a different color, and now it has the same color as the first video. Tip number 3. Auto color correction. I've taken a video clips in the timeline and selected it. Now I will go to basic correction and click the auto option. As you can see, it automatically adjusts the color of the video according to the footage. Then we can tweak the saturation, contrast and other setting to make the video more colorful. Now it's look much better and more vibrant compared to before. Earlier the video was like this, and after the color correction it looks like this. If we want, we can always reset the color correction by clicking the reset option. Now the video is back to its original color. For more awesome video editing tips like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos.